Hello everyone, now my question is write a C# program for below OOP concept. You are working in a library. You wish to use the computer to speed up the process of writing description for books by hand. There are two types of books in the library. There are ordinary books and golden edition books. The ordinary books hold the title, author and price. Gold edition books represent a special books that hold the same properties as any book, but its price is always 30% higher. This is nothing but inheritance. Okay, there are a object called book. We can create a class, public class. Let's say normal. There are only type of ordinary book and this golden edition books, right? So we can say ordinary book, public class ordinary book. This will have properties like public string. This will have title, and this should be return some title. Here we should get some parameters. We can say string title, like that. So we can say return title. Okay, we can do any operation here. Also I'm going to say public string author string author return author. Okay, and then next one is the price, public string. Actually price can be a string because we are providing currency and dot like that. So we can say price and then parenthesis string price, return price. Now this will be ordinary book of class. Now we are going to create another class inheritance with this ordinary book. We can say public class ordinary. No, this is not ordinary book, that is a golden edition book. Golden edition book inherited with this ordinary book, then it will have same properties. Okay, now for example, if I try to run this program, I can say ordinary book, otherwise var ordinary book obj is equals to new ordinary book. I think we have to move this code to top. It will be fine then. Now instead okay, now we can say console dot write line then ordinary book obj dot price. We have to pass in some value, okay, because it doesn't containing any properties, so we can say lkr 1000 dot 00. You can see we can access these properties using this dot Now what if we create another object var golden edition book obj is equals to new golden edition book. Now we can say console dot write line. Inside this, let's see golden edition book obj dot. Here you can see we can access same properties as this title, author, price, but we have to do overriding, right? We have to do overriding here. How we can do that? To do that, we have to say public and then the price, their OOP concept, there are inheritance, polymorphism and encapsulation. In this case we have to override this price method. How we can do that? To do that, we have to say public here virtual keyword, right? Then here we can say public override price. Okay, then we can do anything. Here I will say return price, but you said in this scenario price is 30% higher. We have to say price is multiplied by 0.3. We should actually this is a string, so what I'm going to go ahead and do is just replace this type as int, also price parameter type as int. Here overriding int, type of the parameter is int. Okay, now we can multiply, but it might give us a double value, so again we have to replace this to double. Okay, that is fine. Now here we cannot directly give now a string. Instead we can give some numbers like this 1000. Now in this golden edition book we can call for price, but let's say 1000 again, and let's see what will happen now. We can say this thing, but do you remember it gave us 300? So what we can do is add this value, let's say double val is equals to this one, then we are adding price with val. Now it will be fine. Okay, you can see we received this 1300. Okay, that is it for this lesson, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.